Hey, what do I see there? Oh, I see some beautiful people. What's up, y'all? MarkieMaurk back in the kitchen. Welcome back. I know y'all are thinking, this dude never changes his clothes. No, wrong. I actually do normally 2 videos in a night, so obviously I'm wearing the same getup. But anyway, this evening. Oh, by the way, thanks for tuning in. If y'all are new to the channel, welcome. Hope you love what I got going on here, and be sure to keep watching. I know there's going to be some mandatory commercials mixed in to the mix now. That's YouTube's new thing, but that's okay. Power through them because you're going to love everything I'm throwing at you. Anyway, tonight, what we got going on in this kitchen is another wicked awesome pizza recipe. I am not doing homemade dough this evening. I'm using naan bread, aka a nice Greek flatbread. You can use any kind of flatbread, pita, naan, whatever you like. You can do the thin crust flour tortilla, just a big old flour tortilla, as you've seen in my previous videos. Anyway, what we got going on this evening is a Reuben pizza. It is absolutely to die for. You've got to try it. You may have tried it. I'm sure I'm not the only one that came up with this, but the way I do it is that. So anyway, guys, Ken Steakhouse Thousand Island dressing. This is the sauce. This is your base layer. So you're going to drop this on your doughs. You're going to spread it out nice and evenly. The only other thing going on in these gorgeous pies is corned beef, little strips of Swiss cheese, and then a fine coating of mozzarella on the top to just add that stringy cheesiness that every pizza should have, because Swiss melts down nice, but it just doesn't do that pull that the Parmesan or the mozzarella does. And you need that pull, tell you what. Oh, and don't forget the sauerkraut. So anyway, I just got a good old can with the kraut, but any kraut's good, jarred, canned, made by man, whatever you need. Anyway, so like I said, I'm gonna do the Thousand Island. If I'm going in order, I'm gonna do the Thousand Island. I'm gonna do the corned beef, then I'll do the kraut, then I'll do the Swiss, then I'll do the mozzarella, and then they're going in the oven. They're gonna have a dance party in there, and they're gonna come out looking oh so good. So anyway, y'all, I'm gonna get to topping these things. I'll bring you in for some step-by-step, and I'll see you in just a moment. Don't go nowhere, because it's gonna get real delicious real fast. See you in a second. All right, y'all, so like I said, I'm just going over a quick scan of the ingredients, because I did forget to tell y'all about one thing. So the Thousand Island dressing is the base layer. Then comes the corned beef, or pastrami, whatever you got, don't matter, gonna be just as good. Then some sliced Swiss. If you can find shredded Swiss, that also works, but I'm gonna just do some slices around these bad boys. A little topping of mozzarella, but then what I forgot, what is the key ingredient, the key herb in a Reuben? Well, it's the rye bread. Well, this obviously ain't rye bread. The key herb in rye bread, y'all, is caraway seeds, right? So, got the old mortar and pestle out, ground up some caraway seeds, and the very final topping is gonna be a little sprinkle of them bad boys across these things, and then they're going in the oven for the dance party. Anyway, I'm gonna get rocking on topping these things out, getting them going, got the oven preheating, and I will see y'all in just a moment. Don't go nowhere. You guys, play-by-play, like no way, yes way, oh, play-by-play. All right, so we got the Thousand Island spread out. I'm about to drop that corned beef on there. And then top it with the sauerkraut and then the cheese, and I'll see y'all in just a moment. All right, y'all, I mixed up my layers. Went meat, then Swiss, shreds. Now I'm dropping the kraut, then mozz on top, followed by the caraway, and it'll be time to play. See you in a moment. All right, y'all, so I got the kraut. The kraut is on there. It's unda. And I am Irish, I'm German. I got a little English in me, matter of fact. So I will talk in all different types of accents, and I can back them all up with me bloody jeans. But I'll tell you what, These pizzas here, the Reuben pies, it would make an Italian man be like, "Baffangulo, what is going on? It's not even a pizza." Oh, it is a pizza, and it's a German pizza. It's a Reuben. It's gonna be good, y'all. So all I got left is to sprinkle the mozz and drop the caraway, and then these bad boys are going in the oven for a dance party. Stay tuned. See you in a moment. You guys, we are topped off, finished off, sprinkled with the caraway. You can see them little sprinkles. I'm gonna do just a sprinkle of garlic powder too, and I will be sure to have all the ingredients in the description at the bottom of the video, so make sure you check that out, because these things are mind-blowing, and I guarantee you, whoever you make them for, family, friends, they will be bedazzled. Anyway, these suckers are going in that bad boy for a dance party, and when they come out, I'll give you all a final shot, money shot. See you in a moment. Don't go nowhere. All right, y'all, so we're out of the oven. The dance party is over. The Reuben pizzas are on the table, and this is what you're looking at. So anyway, I want to thank you guys so much for tuning in again. Thanks for watching. Make sure you give me that big thumbs up and subscribe. You're gonna help me, help you, keep bringing y'all awesome content, which I am all about. Anyway, I hope y'all try this and absolutely love it. Until next time, everyone stay safe, stay healthy. I love you guys, and this is MarkieMaurk signing off. I will catch y'all on the flip side. Later.